If you work with spreadsheets in LibreOffice Calc, there's a simple trick that can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll show you how to highlight blank cells in LibreOffice Calc so you can quickly spot missing data, incomplete entries, and empty fields in your sheet. This is especially useful for tracking forms, cleaning up reports, and making sure nothing important gets overlooked. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. Or, if you already have a file you want to work on, simply open your existing spreadsheet. Once your sheet is open, the next step is to select the cells where you want to find and highlight the blanks. You can click and drag to select a range, or use the keyboard if you already know the area you want to check. This step matters because the conditional formatting will only apply to the selected cells. Now that your cells are selected, go up to the top menu and click Format. From the drop-down, choose Conditional and then click Condition. This opens the conditional formatting window where you can create a rule based on the contents of the cell. In the rule options, select cell value is, then choose equal to. This tells LibreOffice Calc that you want to target cells that match a specific value. Here's the important part. Leave the value box completely empty. That's what makes this rule apply to blank cells. Once the value field is left empty, you can choose the highlight style you want to use. LibreOffice gives you different formatting options, so pick a style that makes the empty cells easy to see. For example, you might use a bright fill color or a bold border, so the blanks stand out clearly from the rest of the data. After selecting your highlight style, click OK to apply the rule. LibreOffice Calc will now scan the selected range and highlight every blank cell automatically. This makes it much easier to identify missing information at a glance, and you won't need to manually search through the sheet cell by cell. If your dataset changes later, the conditional formatting will continue to work as long as the rule stays applied to that range. This is a really useful technique for anyone working with lists, checklists, databases, or spreadsheets that need cleanup. Instead of guessing where the missing entries are, you can instantly see them and fix them faster. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in productivity. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more clear and practical tutorials on LibreOffice, spreadsheets, and other everyday software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.